Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get 1099 from Spark Driver. First, open the Spark Driver app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account you used for delivering orders. Once the app is open, look for the menu section. If you are using an iPhone, tap the option called More. If you are using an Android phone, tap the menu button. After opening the menu, find and tap on the option called Account. Inside the Account section, look for the option called Tax Documents. Tap on Tax Documents to continue. This area is where Spark stores the tax forms connected to your driver earnings. When the Tax Documents page opens, you will see a section labeled Documents. Tap on Documents to view the available tax forms linked to your account. The forms are usually organized by tax year, so you can easily find the correct document for the year you need. Next to each available form, you will see a download icon. Tap the download icon next to the form you want. The document will open as a file, usually in PDF format. If your 1099 form is not available yet, the app will usually show a message telling you when the form is expected to be available. This helps drivers know when to come back and check again. Thanks for watching.